We'll guide you through how to use the Dropbox Sign API for seamless electronic signatures. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox Sign website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the API section, which you'll find in the top menu. You need to create an API app, so click on Create API App. You'll be prompted to select an API type. Choose Dropbox Sign API, and then provide a name for your app. After that, you need to configure the necessary permissions. Make sure to choose the correct access level that suits your needs, whether it's for personal use or more extensive organizational access. Once your API app is set up, you'll be given an API key. This key is essential for authenticating your requests, so keep it safe and secure. To start using the API, you need to integrate it into your application. If you're using a programming language like Python or JavaScript, you can use the Dropbox Sign SDK, which simplifies the process. Follow the documentation provided to include the SDK in your project. Then, use your API key to authenticate requests. For example, if you want to send a document for signature, you can use the Send Signature Requests method. You will need to specify the recipients and the document details. The API handles the rest, sending the document to the recipients for their signature. You'll receive notifications once the document is signed or if there are any issues. This is just one example of what you can do with the Dropbox Sign API. It offers a range of features like requesting signatures, managing templates, and tracking the status of documents. With its robust functionality, you can streamline your document management process significantly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.